Today we will learn Chinese characters.
雷
First, let's learn the pronunciation of this Chinese character.
雷 了 a 雷雷地雷地雷战士们排除了地雷，战士们排除了地雷，打雷，打雷，夏天经常打雷，夏天经常打雷，雷雨，雷雨，教室外下起了雷雨，教室外下起了雷雨。
Next, let's see how to write this Chinese character. This character looks like rain and thunder overall, with some raindrops falling down. In ancient China, people regarded thunder as the sound of God's drumming, warning people not to do evil or break their promises. Now it refers to thunder. Since there is more thunder in spring, which can wake all hibernating creatures, it symbolizes recovery, new life, and hope. The upper part of this character should be written larger. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.